Hey guys, Bryce Tubbs here. Today I want to talk about 3 reasons why I did not start my own tax firm and why I chose to do bookkeeping and virtual CFO services instead. Okay, so it's funny, right? Because a lot of times I hear people and they talk about they want to start their own tax business, and while that's a great business depending on the level of taxes that you're doing, if you're just going to be doing general personal tax returns, in a lot of cases for me, I always recommend you guys do like bookkeeping or CFO services instead. I needed more margin. I just couldn't really make sense of, only getting paid $75 to $300 for a single tax return, then having to do like 1,000 of them in order to make any money. Um, and because like for me, I work really hard, but I do have like a weird energy kind of like burn rate. So like there's certain times during the day where I'm like super energized, and there's other times of the day like now, even like 20 minutes ago, I was so tired, and it was just kind of weird, right? So just being able to have those days, I even have like some students who are going through like health challenges right now, or they go on vacation, and it's like you need to be able to have some sort of business that can really support your lifestyle, in spite of you. So if you want some freedom in your life, you want to be in control, you don't want to have to worry about working for someone else ever again, I recommend that you click on the link inside the description below to book a call with me. It's going to be a link that says like oncehub.com. That's basically my scheduling tool that allows you to be able to go select a time on my calendar that fits your schedule the best. And then it asks you a couple of questions. It asks you a couple of questions because like when we get on the call, I need to make sure it's a good fit. Like if you answer the question, you're like, I don't want to make any money, I love where I'm at right now, I don't want anything to change. It's just like, why are we really here on the call? Versus if I can see it's like, hey, I really want to make this thing work. This is why it hasn't worked. This is what my goals are. Then we get on the call and like, okay, cool. So I can kind of get a picture of where you are. I can outline what it would look like for us to work together. And then we can save as much time as possible, jump in and be like, hey, let's get started. And then you can be like, yeah, I'm ready to get started. Or in some cases, just not the best time for you. Life is really about choices. Oftentimes, you just choose to do it in spite of that. Take the vacation after you're already inside the program, and then you can take a vacation for the rest of your life. So if that's you, I will see you on the call. If you're not quite ready, that's okay too. I understand. Sometimes people, need a little bit more trust and just more time marinating in, information before they can commit. It does take a little bit longer for you to find success, but if you like taking things slow, that's okay too. I understand. I wasn't like that. I generally make fast decisions, but sometimes people need to, just take a little bit more time. So if that's you, I'll see you on the call in the future. If you're ready to go now, I'll see you on the call as soon as possible. Talk to you soon. It's been Bryce Tubbs. Take it easy.